All right, I'm going to show you guys how to get around this number one mistake that people tend to hit when they start trying to lucid dream. And basically what you need to do is you must make a plan before you go into your lucid dream. All right, and what do I mean by that? Well, I'll explain, but just to give a little backstory about how it actually, that I discovered this, is that, you know, as always, as most of you probably have had this experience yourself, is that when you're starting out your lucid dreaming endeavors, you most likely have this huge plan, if you want to call it that, this huge thing that you want to do in your lucid dream. Whether it's you want to go flying, you want to do, you know, a lot of people want to have dream sex, a lot of people want to, you know, see dead relatives, or whatever it may be, learn about yourself, find out more things about yourself, whatever it may be. You kind of hype it up so it's this great, great, grandiose sort of event that's going to happen as soon as you hit your lucid dream. And I did this myself too. That's actually the big reason why I started lucid dreaming, is because I really wanted to do all these crazy things in my dreams, right? Well, the problem is when you hype it up so much. Okay, I remember the first time I did this, I was in my bed. I remember I first realized I was dreaming. I did a reality check, okay? And if you guys don't know what a reality check is, make sure to check out one of my other videos where I explain that. But I did a reality check. I checked my hands out. I looked at it and I was like, these are so blurry. I'm in a dream. Oh my God, I gotta do all these crazy things. Oh my God, I'm gonna do this. And then I woke up instantly, just like that, you know? It was gone. And of course, sitting in my bed, I'm like, no, please take me back. Of course, that didn't work as well. So there I was, just sitting in my bed, kind of disappointed. You know, I could taste the sugar, I could taste the blood. All right, but it got taken away from me instantly just because I couldn't control my emotions. And that's what's going to happen, honestly, to most of you if you don't kind of make a plan to get around that before. Because when you start off your lucid dreaming career, oftentimes it's for this great reason, because you want to do these crazy things in your dreams. And obviously, we don't want to not do these crazy things. So how do we kind of keep up the excitement, keep up the hype without waking up in your dreams? And the way you do this is a technique that I kind of developed. I wouldn't say I made it myself. I kind of just repurposed it from something else. And it's from basically what you want to do is when you're doing your reality checks or at certain points throughout the day, what you're going to want to do is you're going to imagine that the scenario that you're in is a dream. And then you're going to imagine that in the scenario, in this dream that you're kind of envisioning, you're going to imagine that you're actually becoming lucid in it, right? So for example, let's say that you're actually at school in real life, you're at school or you're at work. You're going to take the time to kind of imagine that, you know, your environment's actually a dream. You can close your eyes for this if you want. And then what are you going to do as soon as you become lucid, right? You got to make a plan for the exact next action you're going to take as soon as you actually develop lucidity in this dream, right? And for me, what I discovered, or what I did the first time, was it's kind of weird. I actually started looking around at all the things. I really wanted to examine all the landscape of my mind, because I always had the thing, I didn't really know how realistic could it actually look. Let me just tell you, it was as real as real life. Okay, it was freaking crazy. I remember the first time. It's so vivid to my mind now, but you got to make a plan to do as soon as you become lucid. So for many of you, you could do many different things, right? For many of you, you could do many different things. For me, it was to examine the environment very closely. I don't particularly recommend this approach just because it's kind of a weird thing to do. It's not really that exciting for most people, I would imagine. But, you know, you can do that if you want. Another one that a lot of people tend to like to do is they jump, right? So in real life, you're going to imagine that this is a dream and you're going to see yourself jump as soon as you become lucid, so that once you actually enter your lucid dream, all right, what's going to happen is you're going to perform the exact action you thought of, and there's going to be a little bit less, you could say, chaos, right? It's going to be a little bit less chaos, it's going to be a little bit more predictable, and you're actually going to be more stable in your dream. You're not going to wake up right away, all right? And that's actually what happened to me, is that once I made this plan, once I started actually practicing this technique where I actually envisioned myself becoming lucid in a dream in the waking life, and knowing exactly what my next move was going to be, as soon as the next time I went lucid, I didn't wake up from excitement. I did my plan, and then I kind of had the fact that I was lucid kind of came upon me a little bit slower, and I was able to stay lucid in my dream and do all the things that I really wanted to do. Okay, so I really hope this is helpful for you guys. Really, what you guys want to do is to kind of imagine your plan. think it out before it actually happens, what you're going to do once you become lucid in your dream. And this will make a huge difference in terms of not getting too excited and waking up before you actually do the things you want to do in your dream. So I hope this tip helped you. If it didn't, whatever, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. But if it did, I'm really happy for that. So yeah, leave a comment down below if you have anything you want to say. And as always, give a like, subscribe, and I'll see you at the next video. Look at that. Look at those eyes, man. You see that? That's my light. Do you think it's burning the back of my eyes right now? Just, you know what I mean? Anyways, have fun. Have lucid dreams tonight, and I'll see you later.